Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super easy summer dress combo on Dress to Impress using no VIP and only 3 items. So you are going to go to the dressing rooms and you're going to grab this top, color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this orange and select type 2 as well. Then I'm going to also get the New Year's dress and I'm going to turn off chains and glitter. I'm also going to make this matte. I'm also going to turn off the corset for this, and I'm going to color it the same orange as well here. I'm just gonna color that matte. Lastly, we are going to use the code skirt Ella. In the long one, you can add ribbons or not, that's up to you. I'm going to add ribbons for mine here. And then for the layers, use a pattern. You can use any pattern that you would like. Obviously, I'm just going to choose one that matches with the color here. I'm just going to add like a ribbon maybe in like a different color to make it stand out more, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.